Hello everyone, welcome to our today lecture. In our today lecture, we are going to discuss that what is meant by price elasticity of demand. Basically, price elasticity of demands mean when there is change in demand of a good due to change in its own price, then it is called price elasticity of demand. So, in simple word, we can also say that how much change or how much response is shown by quantity of A when there is a change in price of A. Here A is representing a good A. When price of A changes, then there is how much change in quantity of a good A, that is called price elasticity of demand. And price elasticity of demand is represented by EP. EP stands for elasticity of price, and the formula for price elasticity of demand is percentage change in quantity demand due to percentage change in price. So this is the formula for elasticity of price, and simply we can say that elasticity is equals to percentage change in dependent variable due to percentage change in independent variable. Here delta sign is showing change. Here this sign is for delta, and delta means change. Here dv is our quantity demand dependent variable, iv is independent variable which is price. So we can furthermore explain this formula. Here percentage change in quantity demand, this percentage change in quantity demand, percentage change in quantity demand is equals to q1 minus q naught divided by q naught into 100, and percentage change in price is equals to p1 minus p naught divided by p naught multiplied by 100. So what is mean by q1? Basically q1 is the current price, q naught is the old price or the previous price. q1 is equals to current quantity, q naught is the old or previous quantity. Similarly, P1 is equals to current price, and P naught is equals to old or previous price. So if we have different values uh, for example here P, and in the next column we have quantity demand 10 and 20. When price is 10, quantity demand let's say is 30. When price goes higher from 10 to 20, the demand will fall from 30 to, let's say for example 15. So here this 10 is our P naught, 20 is our P1 which is our current price. Similarly this 30 Q naught, and this is our Q1. So we have to simply put these values in this formula, and then it will give us elasticity of demand. And keep in mind that elasticity of demand is always in negative. Elasticity of price is always in negative. Why? Because there is a negative relationship between price and demand. When price increases, demand decreases. So they both are moving in opposite direction. So there is a negative relationship between quantity demand and price. So that's why elasticity of price is always in a negative sign. We can further explain this formula and convert it into simplest form. EP is equals to elasticity of price, where is percentage change in quantity demand, and percentage change in quantity demand is equals to Q1 minus Q naught divided by Q naught into 100, and then P1 minus P naught divided by P naught into 100. So this 100 and this 100 will be cancel out. So EP is equals to negative sign for negative relationship between demand and price. So this Q1 minus Q naught is showing change. So we can write it as delta Q upon Q. Similarly, this P1 minus P naught, current minus previous value, it will give us change in price, and we can also write it as delta P upon P. So this is equals to EP is equals to change in Q by Q divided by change in P over P. So we can further explain it as change in Q over Q. When we divide this, when we convert this divide sign into multiplication, so then this whole thing will reverse out. So P upon change in P. So this will give us the final formula for elasticity of price, and at the end we can simply write this formula as if we rearrange them and bring change in one side, change in Q upon change in P into P upon Q. So this is the final formula for the elasticity of price.